Regarding the question on should teachers keep the same expectations on students' engagement, learning outcomes, and learning experiences when teaching online, I think it is clear that online courses and traditional face-to-face courses are very different from each other. However, we should give our best to help the students become as engaged as they would be in a traditional class. Likewise, I believe we have to create a learning environment in online courses where the learning outcomes will match the level of learning that occur in the face-to-face classes. In general, students who are familiar with learning in a face-to-face classroom would have trouble adjusting to the online learning experience. Therefore, before they come to their first online meeting of the course, I think it is very important to provide tips on how online learning differs from traditional learning. Goal setting and prioritizing homework are also important points to mention. Ideally, one can create a video tour telling students the different features and functions of the course homepage. In addition, I think it would be better to show them how to locate all of the course materials, assignments, assessments, and more. To engage a student, an instructor can plan to adopt one or more of the following approaches during the class. We can ask a student to write two or more things they would like to learn more about the topic. We can also ask a student to prepare a six-sided die and roll it and concisely answer some questions based on the number they rolled from the die. These questions could be as simple as what is cancer if this were biology. Another activity that I can think of is having students write 300 to 500 word short essays on topic they have learned. This is to help them cross the gap between knowing and doing. Lastly, we could use a digital drawing tablet to engage students with diagrams drawn during lectures and to assist students who are trouble visualizing certain processes. Using this drawing tablet, we can also create a web diagram with cause and effect relations in order to teach the main concepts of the course. When it comes to the learning outcomes, research on student achievement revealed that exam scores are higher for traditional courses than online courses, while others report the opposite. So some others show no difference between the two, but we need to be aware of the fact that online classes are considered to provide more opportunities for dishonesty, which can unreasonably boost a student performance. We must be careful of these issues taking place and be strict in order for this occurrence to not taking place.